Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test the belt on a dryer, specifically for those instances when the dryer motor only runs when the start button is held down. The belt connects the dryer drum to the motor and allows the drum to spin and dry your laundry. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community. Get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we'll need today is a Phillips screwdriver. Please remember that safety comes first, and always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before working on it. Ready, set, let's go. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. Now that the top panel of the dryer is off, we should see that belt. We need to lift it up, which helps us determine if there's any slack. If the belt has some slack, it's either broken or come off the idler pulley. If you can pull it free, the belt will need to be replaced. If there's no slack on the belt, then that means something else is preventing your dryer from running correctly. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. If your belt is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be causing your dryer to only run when the start button is held. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your belt is bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.